Today's video, we're going to church. Today guys, it's Sunday and we're going to church.
Sunday?
Ay, sorry. Saturday. And we're going to church. Why you have to sit on me?
Because you are comfy.
So today we're going to church because Isabella's Sunday's catechism. So we're not going out. It is online. Metro train. This is the taxi in Dubai. This is the taxi. This is also on our right side is bus, public transportation. It's very long. Ching. That is the one, bus. Now we have reached to the church.
But there's an RT car.
Yes, in a parking area. We're looking for parking. No parking. There should be. Let's check. And this is the church, Saint Mary Church. It's a Catholic church. We have here one in Dubai, and one in Sharjah, and one in Abu Dhabi. And in Dubai, I think there are two. Sorry, one here in Karama, another place, and one in Udmi, Jebel Ali.
And in total is 3. Including this.
No, for us, so far I know. One in Abu Dhabi, 2 in Dubai, and 1 in Sharjah. It's okay now, we all go together. Okay, Bella, let's go. We'll buy the cheese bread. You want cheese bread? Come on,
And then
Bella.
can we get the baby bird?
Can you make it hot, please? Hot. Including the chicken lollipop. Dalawa, yes. Make it hot also.
And tea also?
No tea.
To be?
No. Do you have tea? Just bought cheese bread. Come on, that's mass starting. Come. Hello. We're done with our church and we're eating. What is this, Bella?
bread.
Cheese bread.
She gave me the smallest piece ever.
Now we're heading to mall to do some shopping, food shopping,
No.
grocery
The
shopping.
gas. The gas right now in the
Right now we are in the metro station, gas station. I'm at a long queue also. I like this cheese bread from the church actually.
From the church, it's from Caesar's.
Yeah, inside the church there's a small cafeteria, and they call it this
No, it's
Caesar's.
Caesar's.
It's a Filipino cheese bread.
I'm a Filipino.
We are here to fill our picture. Hello, I forgot to tell you. The picture has come down 2.92. A special 95. Car wash. Oh, there's a Pizza Hut there. It's a long queue also here.
There are three petrol pumps here.
But all full. One's at the back is waiting.
I will go today.
Where you gonna go?
To Mars.
To Mars?
To get a bird.
Hmm?
To adopt a baby bird. Mama, what should we name it? Kiwi or Zoe?
I like kiwi better.
But when we need the fruit kiwi, okay, just don't say anything with kiwi. Otherwise the bird thinks you're saying kiwi to her.
So finally our petrol has come down again this month. Last before it reached to as higher as 4 dirham, and now it comes down to 2.92. So that's the good news.
Don't see kiwi.
And also I
Like
got chicken
a
lollipop.
boss.
This is a chicken lollipop. And
Give me some.
it's a little mild spicy. Ouch.
Spicy! It's like when you doesn't want to go.
I know.
My turn.
Let us just clean the car na. You like it? Bella, don't eat properly, please. Not like this. You're making a mess in the car. Actually, my husband just sent the car for general cleaning inside.
Hey, you dropped one.
We're doing a mukbang chicken in the car. Nice.
I like spicy food. But was it spicy? Keep my hands behind.
What's this?
I don't like to keep my hands behind, so I'm gonna keep my hands
We're
behind.
going for grocery shopping.
I help you to find carrots.
We are at the mall right now. Come, Bella, come here. Watson. This is Carrefour supermarket. I'm gonna get a heart. Give one dala. You want to be inside?
Yes. I have the list over here.
Okay.
Take it from your bag.
You can go inside. You
No, I became
go inside.
I know how to get on now. Oh, I know how to get.
What again?
I know how to get on here all by myself.
Show me our list. Tell me what we have to take.
Baby tomatoes.
Baby tomatoes. Past pastry department section, sorry. So now we start our shopping. Hello guys, we're done our shopping, food shopping.
Now time to get my bird.
Now we have to go what? To get the bird, new bird.
What if it costs 100?
Huh?
What if it costs 100?
This is our
What, Mama? What if it's
shopping.
too much money?
No, it doesn't cost too much.
Only
So this is all?
Only a dot bird costs too much?
Yes. Grocery. And now we are here. I show you my husband's site. He has some work going on his site. Let's show you. This is this one. This is the one, missing one. Shop. So, yeah, your dada is inside of this. This one in front of us, yes. It's close.
L-A-U-G-I.
Picture? Why you don't picture? What's that? What's that? What is? Ugly face? What is this? You don't want to go shop?
No, from the lack of oxygen I am losing. No, I do not. Let me go. This is not terrible.
Guys, who bought the new
We
bird?
got two, one female and one
Who
male.
bought new bird?
But for the male, we'll have to search up the male.
Guys, we bought the new bird. We bought two cockatiel bird. Baby one. The baby one. What is your holding, Isabella?
That is very smelly.
What are you holding? It's a bird. You have to be careful, okay?
Yeah, I am careful. What do you think I got my own bird?
Slowly, slowly. Slowly, your baby.
I'm looking down.
Ah. Guys, we're in the car and here's our new purchase pet.
How do we can like change the thing? So this is our pet. This is the bro. Sorry. How do I? Okay. This one is female. This one that looks like Mikey. That one is female, which I call it Kiwi. And this is the male one.
The yellow one is the female.
And this yellowish, gray, blackish and grayish and whitish. That's the male, which is Mama's bird. And she's gonna name that. But this one is Kiwi, my bird.
And it is a
And Mama said that this male one will be named SpongeBob.
and see,
I said no, please, no, the name of the cartoon character.
we have bought. This is a 1-month-old babies.
And this one female, the female doesn't bite like the old one does.
And then
No, like the old male one bites a lot.
and they don't eat on their own, so we have to
Feed it by the syringe.
yes
I think that's what they call it, syringe.
with
I'm
Cerelac.
just